Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative. How are you guys doing today? Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I'm on vacay, so of course it's an awesome day for me. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I pray that everybody's doing well. Quick little haul from the DT, and I will show you what I got. Well, got some more containers with lids because you'll see like these elements and different stuff. I wanted to just sort them out, make it easier for me. So I did get for the this octagon one, sextagon, whatever you call it now. 6-sided shape ones, and then I got 4 of the just round, wide mouth ones. And because you know they're great for storage, and you color coordinate them and whatever. Put beads and all kinds of stuff in it, you know, confetti, you know, anything. Another lighter. These always help with candles, resin, all different stuff. These been in and out, and I just finally went on and picked them up. The wreath, decorative mesh, and those 3 colors. I did get the little rock. I thought these would be great to put in some resin. The little decorative one, the smaller ones anyway. And then I also got this. So I didn't have the red. I don't know why I had this. I know I brought this before because I had this green and I had the blue, but I couldn't find my red bottle. I don't know if I moved it or something. But anyway, I got it to get some more red. And then I saw these little pearlescent, these vase fillers. But these are little pearlescent diamonds. I was like, yeah, these would be look cute in some resin. And then I got the real diamond ones as well. So I thought hopefully they would fit in some of the letters anyway. I don't know. But I thought they were cute. I got another, well, this first time I think I got the black one from there. I know I got some, well, I don't remember what colors I got. I don't think it was a solid black. I think it might have been, I got other color ones. But these are the real small ones. So I got that. And black, and then I picked up some more of the faux leather because I was using some of it. Another project, so I got the brown and the blue, the white and the black. And that is basically it. That's what I got from the Dollar Tree. And there's so much stuff, but I keep missing some of the good stuff. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm hoping and praying that you guys have an awesome day. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.